Okay, this class is all about you painting. You don't have to paint a landscape. It's telling you to paint a landscape. You don't have to, but you can if you want to. Are you here for the smell?
Yeah.
You can come in.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. So what we'll do is we'll go through all the tools. We'll go through it nice and quickly, and then obviously you're free to paint a landscape, portrait, flower, a lantern, whatever it is that you actually want to paint. So the program we will be using is called Fresh Paint.
And they're going to be doing Fresh Paint.
It's called Fresh Paint. Fresh Paint is part of Windows 10. So if you have the Windows 10 operating system, just give it a minute.
And so this is the kind of educational
Just hoping that it's not just
kinds of things that they can do on the Holland America Westerdam and other Holland America ships.
Fresh Paint, part of the Windows 10 operating system. If for some reason you do not have it on your computer, that doesn't mean you can't have it. Okay, what you would have to do is just go into your app store that is part of Windows 10,
so
type in Fresh Paint, and it's a free download to your computer. Okay, so if it's not there, it's a free download. If it is there, perfect, great. Okay, so to find it on here, we're going to go into our start menu. You can use those little pens. If you want to do this, pen does count as a mouse. Okay, so anywhere you touch on your screen, it's like a new version of the mouse. So you can go into your start menu, and then by going over, you have your Fresh Paint option. It's that bright yellow box that says Fresh Paint. Oops.
Come join us.